and this is air-dried aged beef. And welcome to Shelter Food and Beer. This sauce I'm going to be amending my steak with is cilantro, onion, a little salt, and some olive oil. Okay, I've turned my hood fan on. I've heated this iron skillet up pretty hot, and I'm going to be searing this steak. This steak is unseasoned as I put it in a slightly olive oiled hot pan. I'm going to cook it like that for 3 or 4 minutes, flip it over, then I'll season it and cook it for 3 or 4 minutes, flip it over, season it again. Already I can tell from this ribeye a different aroma coming up, a more gamier smell coming from it. I'm loving it. I put the sauce on the plate here, and I'm just gonna, when it's finished, rest it on there for 4 or 5 minutes before eating. By aging it for only 5 days, I didn't have to cut off any nasty parts and stuff. When I do the 10-day, the 15-day, I may need to trim it up a little bit, but this is fine how it is. I left all the fat on there, which I won't eat, but I want it to be involved in the cooking process. Okay, the steak's been cooking for about 4 minutes, and what you might notice is that there isn't a lot of juice and bubbling going on because this has been dried out. But what that does is it makes the brownie very beautiful. It's got beautiful color to it. At this point, I'm going to put some ghost pepper salt on this side. It's a specialty item I get from a shop up in Portland, Oregon. The ribeye is one of my favorite cuts of meat. And in case you didn't know, the ribeye is a prime rib cooked like a steak. It's cooking pretty quick. I turn the temperature down to medium. That way I get the medium rare, medium on the medium side that I'm looking for, but give the fat enough time to render down. I'll put it on that plate. Cover it with some foil. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. The vegetarian's critique of the aroma coming off the steak is it stinks to high heaven. Well, there it is, my first air-dried aged steak. And side over a twice baked potato and some fried Brussels sprouts. Let's see how this baby tastes. It's definitely a little wild from the aging process. It's delicious though. Thanks for watching Shelter Food and Beer. I have to have wine with this.